In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Roblox Survive Lava for Brainrots Discord server. It's a quick and simple process, so let's jump right in. To get started, navigate to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your Discord window. Click on the plus icon, which is the Add a Server button. In the window that pops up, scroll to the bottom and select the Join a Server button. Now, in the invite link text box, type in Lava Brainrot. Make sure to spell it exactly like that, all one word with no spaces. Once you've entered the link, click the Join Server button at the bottom. You'll be directed to a welcome screen for the Survive Lava for Brainrots server. Select the options that best describe what you want to do in the community, then click on Finish. And that's it. You've successfully joined the server and can now explore the different channels. And that's all there is to it. You are now a member of the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.